This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday held a video conference with the Deputy Commissioners of all districts along with officials to review programs and schemes of various departments. The first review meeting was held with officials of the Department of Mining and Geology together with Home, Police Department to discuss issues relating to mining and enforcement. Among the various issues raised in the meeting, the officials cited lack of manpower to cover multiple exit points at the border with Assam and sought the help of the police department to assist the enforcement personnel to effectively man the exit points and also provide security during raids and inspections. The Chief Minister has called for strict vigilance by personnel of the concerned departments and better coordination between the district administration and the police department. He also suggested strategic placement of manpower and technological interventions such as QR-coded challans and CCTV surveillance for strict monitoring to deter illegal activities and effective collection of revenue. Meghalaya Education Minister Lahkmen Rymbui yesterday inaugurated the new school building of Shillong Higher Secondary School, Lane in southwest Khasi Hills district, which was constructed under Supporting Human Capital Development and financed by Asian Development Bank. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, Rymbui lauded the efforts of the people who transformed the school to the present level and assured them that the government would try its best to improve the education of the area. While urging the students to work hard, he said the teachers should do their best and the managing committee to improve the enrollment of the school. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has urged the people and civil society organizations to maintain calm and peace till the centre invites stakeholders for consultation and solution to the decades-old Naga political problem. Urging people to have trust in the government, he said that the Union Home Minister Amit Shah had assured the state government representatives during Sunday's meeting that all stakeholders would be consulted before inking a final accord with the Nagas. The 550th birth anniversary of first Sikh Guru and founder of Sikhism Guru Nanak Dev was celebrated across the country as Prakash Parv yesterday. Guru Nanak Dev was born on the full moon day of Kartik month of or Kartik Purnima in 1469. Devotees organized langar at various places on this occasion. Dev Dipavali was also celebrated on the full moon night of the month of Kartik. President Ramnath Kovind visited the historical town Sultanpur Lodhi in Punjab. In Assam, the 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji was celebrated with religious fervour. Governor Professor Jagdish Mukhi and Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal greeted people on this occasion. Public Service Broadcasting Day was celebrated yesterday. The day is celebrated every year on November 12 to commemorate the first and only visit of Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi to All India Radio. The occasion was his address to displaced people who had temporarily settled at Kurukshetra in Haryana after partition. A special function was organized in the premises of the Broadcasting House of All India Radio. A cultural show was marked by the favourite bhajans of Bapu. On the occasion, Secretary Information and Broadcasting Amit Khare lauded the role of Akashvani as the national public service broadcaster. And Justice Muhammad Raffiq will be sworn in as the Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court today. Meghalaya Governor Tathagata Roy will administer oath of office in secrecy at Raj Bhavan in Shillong. Raffiq succeeds Ajay Kumar Mittal, who is now the Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court. He will be the 8th Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court. Justice Hamarsan Singh Thankyu, Senior High Court Judge, is the acting Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court. Born in Churu, Rajasthan, Raffiq started his law practice in 1984. He practiced exclusively in Rajasthan High Court in almost all branches of law. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio.